How to fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. First of all, what you want to do is head over to your settings of your device. In the source bar, search for content and privacy settings. Head over to the option. Once you are in here, head over to allowed apps. So over here, what you want to make sure is that the Safari button is toggled on. Once it has been enabled, now go back to your previous page. Scroll all the way down, search for Safari and move into it. Scroll down, the option of clear history and website data will be visible to you. Click on it and simply click on clear history. Once the history has been cleared, now what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on advanced. At the bottom, you'll find the option where it says feature flags. Head over to it. Once again, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on reset all the defaults. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix the issue that you have been facing. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.